Going to share your Aadhaar card as a fraud customer in WhatsApp group and social media. I'm going to edit your dirty and nude pic and going to send it to your family and friends. And I'm going to call them after seeing your nude pic. They will call you, ask you, and our collection department will going to handle you. And even we will share your photos with other girls, with other men, so that in case your married life will also get disturbed and no one will marry with you. Big action from Gujarat police. More than 419 Chinese loan apps blocked. Many innocent people are getting into their trap. Obviously, Googles are also taking action. Cyber police are also on action. On the people complain, many loan apps removed, but from different name. Every day these apps are coming on Google Play Store, making the people trap, hack the data on the name of giving a loan. So you have to also understand that all these apps coming in the market, or you are getting into their trap, because many people think that they have taken a loan. We tell them that you have to understand, you have not taken loan. Sir, I have taken a loan, I have applied for the loan, I received the amount. And that is because they are not able to understand that actually the money which they are receiving in their account, that is not any loan amount, it's a black money. And to convert black money into white money, they auto credit and then they blackmail you like this. So in case you get into the trap facing harassment, blackmail, you can contact us and get the quick help from our lawyer to come out from their harassment, blackmailing, and save your time, money. You have to understand that all these 7 days loan apps are illegal. They are completely banned by the Google, but they provide the fake document, and there are still some apps are there like safe money, quick money, legend rupee apps, double a credit apps are there, top loan, cash pity. But you have to understand that these apps are fake, not legal. They show you that we are giving a loan for 90 days, for 180 days, and we are charging only 1% interest. But in actual, they are charging you more than 100% interest rate, and within a 7 days only they are demanding you to repay. So please be aware of these type of fake loan app. Please don't pay to them in case you get into their trap. We are here to help you to save your time and money, so that you don't have to face any harassment, blackmailing, torture, and extortion from their side. In case you get into a trap, complete solution our lawyer will going to provide you, so that you don't have to worry about their repayment or their blackmailing call message to you onto your contact list, where to raise a complaint against them, what are the preventive steps you have to take in this matter. Complete solution our lawyer is going to provide you. Just WhatsApp us the name of the app and get the complete solution in this matter. Please don't pay them, please don't install them, please don't click to any link provided by these fake recovery agent. They are blackmailers sitting outside the country and blackmailing the Indian people. We are there to help you. Please like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, aware other people also.